Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best roasting pans that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at, we have the Granite Ware 0509-2 18-inch covered oval roaster. We're down to the second roasting pan on our list. The 18-inch oval roaster from Granite Ware takes this spot. As one of the best sellers you'll see on the market, it offers a sturdy and energy-efficient quality that enables you to roast and bake dishes in no time and in the ideal texture and flavor. The dark color makes the pan more absorbent to heat, and the carbon steel construction provides excellent heat distribution. So, if you're looking for a great pan for roasting and baking appetizing meals on the holiday or any time of the year, consider this Granite Ware. Although it is not as big as the other roasting pans, you can fill it in with your desired ingredients such as vegetables and meat. It can accommodate up to 15-pound roast. The roasting pan also comes with side handles for easy lifting and moving. It showcases a durable finish and tough enough even for metal utensils. However, since it is structured with a porcelain finish, you have to be extra careful when using it to prevent it from chipping. Moving on at number 4, we have the Allclad D752S264 stainless steel small roaster. If you want to invest in a high-quality roasting pan regardless the price tag, the Allclad D752S264 might be a good buy. It is made from a single-ply polished stainless steel that fortifies its quality that makes it reliable for lifetime use. The handles and rivets are all made of stainless steel that adds up to its durability. It has a size of 11 × 14 inches, which provides enough space for your favorite roasts such as turkey, chicken, beef, and vegetables. Although it is not as big as the other pans, it has a removable V-shaped non-stick rack that elevates the ingredients and drains the grease and oils from the meat, thus allowing you to eat scrumptious dishes while keeping yourself healthy. In addition to the stainless steel construction, the cooking surface is non-stick and warp-resistant that makes the pan easier to use without burning your favorite dishes, hence keeping them at an optimal temperature. You don't have to worry about cleaning. You can just toss it in your dishwasher and clean it up. At number 3, we have the Wilton Recipe Right Large Roasting Pan. As what most users believe, the quality pans are tagged with expensive prices. However, if you want to stick to your limited budget, you can still get a durable and reliable roasting pan at a very affordable price. You can check out the Wilton Recipe Roasting Pan. It is a large solid pan that offers enough depth, even heat, and large space to give you quality cooking. This 17 × 13-inch roasting pan is made of heavy-gauge steel that distributes the heat evenly so you can roast and cook all your favorite dishes at the optimal temperature. Whether you're a pastry chef, a baking expert, or just a food perfectionist, the Wilton Recipe Right will handle all your lasagnas, pastries, turkey, and other meat the way you want them to be cooked. It can be the most affordable and great quality pan you're looking for. At number 2, we have the Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Steel Roasting Pan. If you want to splurge yourself on delicious roasted dishes, but want to keep them as healthy as possible, you might need to upgrade your roasting pan with the Calphalon Contemporary Stainless Steel Roasting Pan. It comes with a 16-inch size that even a 25-pound turkey for Thanksgiving or the holidays can fit right in. This roasting pan has an impressive non-stick V-rack that elevates the meat for better and even cooking. This feature also drains the fats away from the ingredients to provide you a much healthier meal. And because the pan is a combination of aluminum and stainless steel, it provides excellent conductivity and even heat distribution. Hence, browning, searing, heating, and sautéing a variety of dishes become much easier and faster. Aside from its superb features, it also showcases an elegant and ergonomic design. It has riveted loop handles so you can easily move or transfer it from place to place. The sturdy construction makes it very durable that can last for long periods of time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Calphalon Classic Nonstick Roaster. How does Calphalon Classic Nonstick Roaster differ from the other pans? Well, like most roasting pans you see on the market, Calphalon is made of medium-gauge hard anodized aluminum that provides you a heavy-duty quality that you can use for long periods of time. The size is also commendable. It is large enough for all the ingredients you plan to bake or roast. It would be a great roaster for turkey, chicken, vegetables, and other meat you prefer. And with its V-shaped non-stick rack, it drains all the unhealthy oils and grease from the food, leaving you only with the best texture. The rack has handles so you can lift the food easily and transfer it to a plate. The pan also comes with stainless steel handles for a secure and safe transport after you're done baking and cooking. Overall, it offers great quality that you can use for cooking for the next holidays and special events.
Thanks for watching. I hope like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.